Welcome, in front of me is a ZTE Blade 10, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on this device. And to get started, we'll need to shut off the device, so let's hold power key, select power off, and when the device shuts off, you want to hold power key and volume up. So both of the keys at the same time. And from here, when you see the ZTE logo, hold it for like 2 more seconds and then let go. You should then be located in the recovery mode, and to navigate throughout this menu you will need to use the volume keys. So volume up will go up and volume down will go down. And you want to scroll down to wipe cache partition right over here and then confirm it with power key. Then again, let's select yes. There we go. And you could see at the bottom, cache wipe complete. So the process now fully finished, and reboot system now will be selected by default, so all we need to do is press power key to simply go back to Android. And we are right now in normal Android. So that is how you would wipe cache partition, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.